Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Today we have another fall clothing home decor haul. We got Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and we got Marshalls. Let's get started. Starting with Marshalls, the first thing I got is this green dress. You'll see it in or you will have seen it in the dressing room try on. This was the only one that they had left. It was $24.99, and I usually get a small, but the only one they had left was a medium, and I really wanted it. I thought this would be really nice for summer. I mean, summer is, pretty much running its course towards the end, but where I live, it's really hot for a really long time. But I thought this would be a nice transitional piece into fall. So I really love the detail on it. And also it's longer. I've been trying to get longer pieces just because it's windy where I live, and dealing with short flowy dresses is such a headache. And also I've just really been enjoying a longer skirt dress look lately. So that's the first thing I got. Oh, it also came with this bow. I didn't even know it came with it. It fell off in the dressing room, or it was like on the back, and then it fell off at the counter and the girl picked it up, and yeah, so it actually came with a bow. So that was nice. The next thing I got was these sweatpants, because even though I'm trying to get out of wearing sweatpants, I still really love sweatpants. So this one was $14.99. It's like an apricot beige color. I don't know. I got a medium, and they're so soft. Like, this is not that polyester. I mean, maybe it's polyester, but it doesn't have that scratchy feel on it. It's actually really, really soft. These are I wouldn't say wide leg, but they're not like a skinny leg. They flare a little bit. So I got those. And then I also got this cardigan. This one is really thick, and I've been wanting ones like this for a while, but I'm really picky when it comes to my clothing, because if it's itchy, I don't care how cute it is. I will not buy it because I'm not gonna wear it. And also I'm really picky about my sleeves. I do not like tight fitting sleeves. Like, it cannot be snug on my arm at all. Like, I want some looseness on it. So this one was actually perfect. It was $19.99, a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. It is a really nice thick material, and I got a small, so I thought this would be good. I'm not sure if I can wear it in the heat, honestly. I have another one that's similar to this, and it's really warm. So this one might be more for the fall, but we'll have to see. And then I also got this. If you saw my other haul, I got something similar like this, but it was like a white cream color, and it was by the brand Roxy. This one is, I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Thread and Supply. I got a medium. This one was $24.99, but this one is a little bit more lightweight, but I don't know if this is necessarily corduroy or if it's just a ribbed material, but it has the same, it's the same concept or whatever. I don't know, but I really like the longer shirts. I just feel weird when I wear leggings, and I just feel like my butt is just too much on display. Like, I don't know, I'm not one of those girlies. Like, I just prefer if you want to do that, that's okay, that's fine. That's just not me, okay? Like, I want my leggings to be covered. Oh my god, I didn't even know it had pockets. Ooh, okay, that's nice. So yeah, I got this one, and I don't know if I said I got, what size did I get? Oh, I got a medium, $24.99. And then I got these jeans. In the dressing room, I tried on a size 8, but I actually went back and found a size 6 because these are really stretchy. And they are a little bit long on me, but honestly, I think these are the closest I've been able to find to fit my leg length. Everything else is super long. I do still have to wear like a heel with it, but that's fine. That's usually what I wear for the most part. $24.99, Rachel Zoe, and I got a size 6. But I really like these. These I will definitely wear a lot. So I was really happy to find these. Yeah, and they have belt loops, so that's actually nice. That's all I got at Marshall's. Next, we're gonna do Home Goods. Y'all, I only got one thing from Home Goods. Like, I did not even, they just don't have much that I want. It's rare. The only thing I got was this Trick or Treat Connect game. I thought this would be fun. My daughter likes to play games, so we do have a lot of games that we like to play, and she actually does not have Connect 4 at all. So I might just keep this out all year. It was $10. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. It's got the little pumpkins on it. So that's all I got from Home Goods. All right, next up is Hobby Lobby. And I have to start off with my favorite find at Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I have not seen anybody post this product. Like, I was literally walking down the aisles and they were stocking them. So it was in the crate, just sitting there. Like, oh, well, you're gonna see the other one already, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at how cute this is. Have you seen anyone post this? Because I have not. This is a teapot. It's food safe, can't microwave it, hand wash. It was $24.99, and then you got 40% off. But I'm probably not going to use this. I got it just for decorative use. I mean, maybe I'll use it, I don't know, but I got it to sit on my stove. But oh my gosh, like, this is just the cutest. Like, I had to get it. I literally was like fangirling in Hobby Lobby. And this one, I was so happy. This had been sold out at my Hobby Lobby for literally like a couple months, and every time I went, I looked for this over and over again, and they finally restocked it. But I want to put this in my kitchen, which I have the decorating video coming up for my kitchen. It should be the video right after this, so be sure to check it out to see how I style this. But I just thought it was so cute. I love this. It's $7.99, and I got 40% off with it. All right, next up, I got some candles. We'll save that for at the end. But I got these battery operated LED candles. I've been trying to use more of these, the flameless, obviously for safety reasons. And these are scented. And they actually smell really good. I really like this. I like these also because I believe this has a timer on it, hopefully. So I got 4 of these. And then I also got some tapered candles for my dining table. I couldn't find the LED, but it doesn't matter. I just like these for decor. These were in the fall section, $6.99, but these look like the ones that they have in like the regular section. And then, yeah, so I got different ones. So I got 2 of these for my coffee table. And then I got 2 of these for up on my mantle. So yeah, again, if you want to see how I decorate with these, be sure to tune in, because this will be a part of my living room, dining room, decor video. So be sure to follow along so you can see how I use them. The next thing I got were these garlands. I had not seen these before in Hobby Lobby. This was the first. Maybe they had them other years, but I mean this year I haven't seen them. And I was almost gonna buy some from Michael's, but I didn't think it was that good of a deal. And plus I like this one better. This one actually suits my needs better. I'm gonna be using these in my kitchen. So again, this will be my next video that I'm posting. So if you want to see how I use these in my kitchen, follow along. But these are 6 feet. They are lighted, battery operated. I got them for 40% off. I bought 2 because I wasn't sure about how long my, like how much I needed for my kitchen. So I just bought 2 just in case, but honestly, I know I would probably use these even if I don't use both of them for my kitchen. All right, and then y'all, if you don't know, I make wreaths, and I wanted something for over my mirror in my dining room, and I just couldn't find anything that I wanted. Like I wanted like more of a swag look. So they didn't have one that I liked. So I bought this. It was only $5.49. And I'm gonna add florals and stuff in here to make my own. And then I bought these. Yes, they're already made wreaths, but let me tell you, I cannot make it cheaper. So that was my deciding factor. These were $7, $3.50 on sale. Like, there's no way I could make it cheaper for $3.50. Like, the wreath base alone probably would have cost me $3. So to me, you know, this is honestly a good base. Like, to me, I really like these leaves. I have this garland, this type of leaf as a garland, I'm putting up on my mantle. So I really love these, and I can docker them up. Like, I can add whatever I want into them. I think I'm going to add a cute little like velvet bow on here, but I got 2 of these for my kitchen, somewhere in here. So yeah, I got 2 of these, but I think they're so pretty. Like, this is, oh my gosh, I love these. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also got this craft pumpkin. My daughter has been asking for a pumpkin she can paint and decorate. And I was going to get one of those ones from Michael's, but it was $20 and it was not on sale. So I had to put it back at the counter because I was not going to spend $20 on a fake pumpkin. Like, no, absolutely not. So I got this one. It was $13, but it was 40% off. And plus, this one's actually a craft pumpkin. The other one was like one of those carvable pumpkins. So yeah, we'll see what she does with this. But, you know, she's a little crafty girl. She's a little artist. So we'll have to see what she does with it. And then I also got, hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't even realize this when I bought it. This is lighted. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I didn't notice that when I bought it, but I bought this garland because, like I said, I have this garland, but it's not full enough for me. So I bought this to help fill it in. But oh my gosh, I didn't notice it was lighted until right now. I pulled it out the bag. I was like, what is this? So yeah, it's battery operated. I don't know. I don't think it has a timer on it. This one was $30, 40% off. So yeah, I got that. One of them fell off, but whatever, I can glue it back on. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this on my mantle. I'm doing like a scarecrow, like animal kind of theme to it. So if you want to see how I use it, you know, follow along. All right, y'all. You may not want to see it, but I have Christmas. Yes, I do. And I had to pick it up. I had to get the next viral LED candle. I really like the fall one that I have, so I thought I would get this one. You know, again, I'm trying to get as many flameless as I can.